Come on, Midland.
Feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast. Rise above flood stage by early this afternoon and crest near 16.0 feet by early this evening. The river will fall below flood stage by overnight tonight. Impact at 17.0 feet. Water approaches camp houses downstream from the gauge. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 16.8 feet on May 9, 2013.
17 feet.
This is a statement.
This volume.
Yes. Did you turn it down already?
The Midland. I've already got it into its prepared stage now. Let's see actually what this is for.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has for the South Branch Potomac River near
Who's hearing on
Springfield
the radio?
from this afternoon until Saturday morning. At 2 a.m. Friday, the stage was 8.8 feet and rising. Flood stage is 15.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast. Rise above flood stage by early this afternoon and crest near 16.0 feet by early this evening. The river will fall below flood stage by overnight tonight. Impact at 17.0 feet. Water approaches camp houses downstream from the gauge. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 16.8 feet on May 9, 2013.
All right.
Stop recording.